Hello everybody, how's it going today? Today we're going to be reviewing Milwaukee 12 volt versus Milwaukee 12 volt fuel. The only major difference being power. Size. It varies a couple of ounces, it's a couple of ounces less heavy than the regular 12 volt. They are both fantastic tools, especially for somebody who's going to be working around the house putting together some furniture. They go through metal, wood, and cement like butter. So you cannot go wrong with these sets. Let's get into it. All right, let's get to the nitty gritty of the thing. This is the basic 12 volt impact driver and drill set. They're fantastic if you're going to put together furniture, especially IKEA, if you're going to do some shelves around your house, if you're going to put some picture frames, if you're going to work with drywall, if you're going to work with wood, if you're going to work with metal or cement. This is the set for you. It's actually 159 bucks right now at Walmart, and it comes with a free 45 drill bit set. You cannot go wrong with this, folks. Let me tell you, great set, especially for beginners. All right, the nitty gritty on the 12 volt fuel. It's less heavy, more powerful than the regular set. It happens to be $244 as of this video at the Home Depot. This is a tool set for you. This is literally contractor quality tools. They definitely can get the job done. If you've got the money, by all means, get them. This is an investment that you're going to make for fixing up your house, for doing your projects. Definitely worth the money, folks. I'm not talking out of my butt here. If I was you, I'd go get it right now. All right, folks, how do I choose my tools? They got to be powerful. They got to be easy to use. I don't got time to waste and I don't got time to learn. They got to be priced right. I don't want to spend a lot of money, but I also don't want to buy crap. And also availability. If they break, if I want to go and find it, if I want to find a part, if I want to exchange it, or maybe I want to go buy an attachment set. Where can I go buy it? How fast can I get it? Can I stop and get a hamburger on the way back from the store? Definitely something to think about. These two sets are fantastic. Just really depends on if you want to get the basic or the top of the line. Any of these sets will not do you wrong, folks.